We're here at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 4G. Let's go on into this apartment. We're going to take a look at the common spaces here, the living rooms and bathrooms, because I want you to see those. The rooms are just like you've seen in the other videos. Take a look, especially at the video for 5G. It's directly above this one. The bedrooms are all the same. So let's take a look at the living room here. We want you to see that there are different ways that you can configure a living room or style a living room. So here we've got the sofa, there's an easy chair, a coffee table, an end table, there's dining table and chairs. In the 6-bedroom apartments here all do come with a TV. This apartment does face to the west and the south. We've entered this building on floor 4 at street level, as you've seen in the overview videos. However, we're at the back corner of the building, so the bedrooms are 4 floors up above ground level. So that's a nice feature of this apartment. You enter on lobby level to reach the hallway to the building, and then you're 4 floors above for the living spaces. Okay, here's the half bathroom. We'll pass by here. So that's a toilet and a sink. So that's nice to have in here. Extra half bath in the apartment. We'll pass by the kitchen. The kitchen is what you've seen is the renovated kitchens in this G-line apartments. You've got your stove, the dishwasher, microwave, cabinets, and refrigerator. So that's a nice layout for the kitchen. Passing by the entrance door. Let's go take a look in the bathroom. This is apartment 4G. This is one of the ones with a renovated bathroom. So let's go on in and take a look. You can see here we've got the really nice full-size standing shower with the nice tiles, so that's really pretty. Let's take a look over. We'll go through. There's the vanity and the toilet and a nice big mirror. And over on the right, there's a pair of double height cabinets, so you can have some more storage for your products here in the bathroom. So that's a look at the bathroom, the kitchen, and the living rooms in apartment 4G here in Collegetown Plaza. This is a 6-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment in this building that's at 111 Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.